Hello everybody, today in front of me I have the Realme 10 smartphone, and in this video I would like to demonstrate how you can scan a document and onwards turn it into the PDF file on this device. So first of all you gotta launch camera, then enter the photo mode, take whatever document you wanted to scan. I have, this one for example in front of me. Then take a very decent photo of it. Make sure that it takes all the viewfinder space, because later it will be used as well, the PDF material, so make sure that it's aligned and what's not. You can enable the grid lines if you want to, in order to make sure that the picture that is taken will be straight. Now open the photo or image that you have just taken, then tap on the send icon, print. Once at the preview page, tap on this little 3 vertical dots at the top right corner, just to save as PDF option. Choose where you would like to save it to exactly, and then save. So now, if I'll go to the My Files app, I should be able to find it right over here. Here is the document. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.